Another prominent figure found on the esplanade is the Simon Fraser statue and the cannon placards. A brief history of Simon Fraser. He was known for his exploration of the Fraser River in 1808, which was originally believed by them to be the Columbia River. He and his team of 2 clerks, 16 voyagers, and 2 indigenous guides departed on the 832-kilometer journey from Fort George, now known as Prince George, to the mouth of the Fraser River in 1808. This excursion was set with the intention of finding a new transportation route to the Pacific. Through the assistance of his indigenous guides and indigenous communities along the way, Simon Fraser and his crew were able to reach the mouth of the river successfully over this treacherous trek. Now for the statue's history. Originally, the New Westminster branch of Native Sons of BC, a pro-settler fraternal society, had the statue commissioned to be made. In 1908, it was merely a large granite column that sat atop Albert Crescent Park. However, in 1911, the bronze bust we see today of Simon Fraser was positioned atop this column. After its initial setup, the statue moved several times, slowly making its way closer to the Fraser River with every move. Originally, it was overlooking the Fraser River and Pattullo Bridge at Albert Crescent Park, and as said before, was slowly moved closer and closer to the Fraser, while its pedestal shrank in size. Eventually, the bust and pedestal were moved again to where it stands today on the esplanade. This journey and all the movements of the statue have been captured in a public art piece created in 2019 called Lowering Simon Fraser by Maddie Leach, an artist in residency at the time from New Zealand. If you'd like to learn more about the project, visit the Contemporary Art Gallery's website, which is linked in the write-up below, to learn more. Lastly, the pedestals and placards sitting off to the side of the walkway mark the spot where the cannons sat after the last move of the bust. In most of the moves, the cannons have followed Simon Fraser's statue, but they have since been moved.